Just wanted to share my progress with a Hebrew language learning app. We have a number of problems with existing ones. We have like a very limited options, maybe Duolingo, but it is mostly drilling, not very personalized. And we have now access to large language models. Basically, AI can help a lot, but still we need a guidance. We need a kind of methodology, how we apply the learning process, etc., etc. So, just a glance what we have here. So we have a dictionary, works like yeah, like any other dictionary. It has voweled Hebrew with has transliteration, some short definition, some extra data we can edit to be learned, and we can listen to it. Now I would say that text to speech for Hebrew improved dramatically because half a year ago it was mostly robotic with a lot of mistakes. Nowadays models do a great job. So it's simple as that. So words get here, and we can, let's say, start a conversation, or we can, let's say, we can ask for recommendations. We can use the simple type, like keyboard input or voice input. Let's say, could you recommend me 10 words, like not very advanced, let's say intermediate level verbs? So it is a bit like Claude Code or something like that. It has a agentic loop. It has different kind of tools for, let's say, for dictionary, for pronunciation, for drilling. I've demonstrated now. We need to add some data for the drilling. Also, let's add 10 nouns and 10 adjectives. So work like this, and then let's add them all. We can like untoggle to have this like more detailed information about the word. There's opinion, tipa, rayon, חוויה, boom, boom. Same for adjectives. So now we can do different cool stuff like we can ask for recommend words based on the existing list. Okay, based on my existing Lexis list, could you recommend me 5 more words? So it would go and read the my deck and recommend me something else. Boom, boom, boom. What else we can do? We can like ask for recommendations on any topic basically. Uh, how about words for a shop a, like a cashier, like a change, money, etc. Uh, like this is about exploring the language. Okay. Um, pu- 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 pum. So, for example, what else? Could you generate me a short story using my Lexis words? And I want to listen. It's is able to generate audio track based on some story. Okay, we can listen it. For a longer text, right now it takes maybe 30 seconds to generate the. You probably don't hear it anyway. So, but it is wonderful thingy. So let's move on to the drill, to the practice part. Okay, now let's practice my Lexis. Okay, so it will generate um, like setting, like a goal for this lesson, and so it would set a setting, and then it would start uh, giving me exercises. Cashier is set today. I can like tap a word, and it would show the dictionary for me as a cashier. Occupy, ah, occupy, sorry, it's a female. Okay, let's try the mistake. Occupy отзываю. It didn't recognize well, so boom, boom, boom. It has explanation. We can listen for a reference pronunciation. So let's move on. The customer pays in cash. הלקוח משלם במזומן. Perfect, right? So let's move on. I feel that you are sad. אני מרגיש שאתה עצוב. So basically, it uses all my almost, but you're a man. אני מרגיש שאתה עצוב. Oh, that was a hallucination. But anyway, this is the concept that we use all the words from the our deck, and we construct like a setting, storyline, a context, and we use all the words from the deck to construct exercises. It can be fill the gap, it can be translate, etc. But I mostly focused on pronunciation. So basically, I want to speak out loud Hebrew words. So I think it is an important part of learning. Okay. So, but anyway, more types of exercises are going to be introduced. Also, the whole course could be generated like a grammar, lesson by lesson. You progress through the syllabus that is generated automatically, and each next lesson is generated based on your mistakes or your strong parts, etc. Okay, so this is it. It is still in a very early stage, but just wanted to share, and maybe you have any questions or ideas. I'd be glad to hear. Thank you. Bye.